Hello everyone, welcome to our RxJS tutorial series. My name is Abhishek, and in this series we would be going through in-depth of RxJS, and I would be learning along with this. So what is RxJS? RxJS is a library for JavaScript that is nothing but it uses observables to make it easier to compose asynchronous and callback code. We are already aware of how difficult it is to handle asynchronous code, and who doesn't know about the callback help. So RxJS is a rewrite of reactive extensions with better performance and better modularity. So it increases the performance, and also the code is modular. You can use the functions and operators when and wherever you want. Let's start with the introduction. So RxJS is a Lodash for events. So if you have used Lodash, you might be aware how useful their functions are. Okay, so as we are aware that it's a library for composing asynchronous and event-based programs. So first of all, RxJS is a library which helps us to handle asynchronous and event-based programs. So what's an event? Event is something like, okay, you're trying to listen to a click event, and whenever that happens, you're just consoling that. So how would you do that in RxJS? You would use an event operator which is fromEvent, which listens on document and it listens for click. So whenever that happens, it creates an observable, and until unless we subscribe, observable doesn't have any existence. We'll see about observables in the future videos, but for now, think of this as an observable, and when we are subscribing to it, whenever we are clicking on the document, this particular method would be triggered, and it's a stream, so it wouldn't be like a promise. So that's the core difference between promise and observables. Promise, it's a one-time thing, but observables is a stream of data. As I said, observables is a lot more than this. We'll see in the future videos, but for now, think of this as an observable, and we are subscribing to it. What subscribe means is we are listening to this whatever updates, and whenever there is an update, this console log happens. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the first video. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you. Happy coding.